Hi everybody. I'd just like to thank you all for coming here today. It wouldn't be the same without each and every one of you here. I am over the moon to have Jennifer as a daughter-in-law. I couldn't ask for any better than that. As I stand here on this wedding day, filled with enormous pride, because we're all here to celebrate my son and his beautiful bride. It's not easy to determine exactly where to start when such a flood of emotions engulfed in my heart. There are so many sentiments that I want to convey as I gaze at you both so proudly on your joyous day. It seems like only yesterday you came into my life, yet you have grown into a man as you sit here with your wife. It is such a wondrous journey you are now ready to begin, more special than any other on which you've ever been. But son, marriage isn't easy. You both will have to compromise, for you are now bound together with all that that implies. When you have your disagreement, try your best to be objective. Make each other laugh each day, it keeps things in perspective. Trust in each other and don't be afraid to make mistakes, but each other's strength when comforting life heartaches. But most of all, love her completely without any reserve. Do all of that and you will be blessed with all the happiness that you deserve. And now, Dave, I've done the nice bit. The rest is for you. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped turned upside down. I would like to take a minute just to sit right here to tell you how I'm getting the mother of Ted Tickleback. In Sutherland, born and raised in Duluth, where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, relaxing, and laughing all cool when you got pot smoking outside of the school. When a couple of guys said you're up to no good, but he was only walking around the neighborhood. He never got any fights, he never got me anywhere. He spent most of the time in his room eating curry. Jay was my son, but I thought he was gay, but he's really wrong, or he's dead today. Was a bit of a kid, and he was always online, but then Jen popped up and he said, oh, she's fine. That was it, I think Jen should have gone that. But he struck with tape throughout everything, and in his eyes, she treated him like a king. They moved in together, and we could tell the wet thing weren't there with the wedding bells. Popped the question, and she said yes. And in a flash, she was out buying her dress. So here they are, as man and wife, about to start their happy life.
Oh my God. Thank you, mate. Absolutely. You went bang on. You see his face? Oh, you have the video. Wait till you see his face.
Yeah, I heard the singing priest leading up on mother.
Walking over there. Hey, no, you weren't expecting that, were you? Jesus. No. Yeah, I'll go and get you on there in a minute, pal.
Keep Larry here tonight. Harry.
Chuck. Very good.
How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be short and sweet. You like Dave's lovely. Jennifer and David, we are so delighted for both of you at this special occasion. It feels only like yesterday, Jennifer, you were walking around dragging that big teddy bear. You will always be a big part of our lives. We hope you have many happy days, adventures together. Lots of love. Roisin, Scott, Violet, Eamon and Auntie Patty.
Cheers, Gareth. Now we're going to move on to the groom himself.
Wrap that.
Jeez, what can you say after that? Well, I got married. So when I started to do it, the public speaking part was the big issue for me. The getting married, no what. It was the speech and all that kept going through my head is what will I do, and the only advice I kept getting was picture everybody in their underwear. So I did it a few minutes ago, and then I put the John. So I got you all dressed back up again. I started off anyway, if you would give a round of applause to John and Jackie Dixon there. Without them, none of this would have been possible today. They're absolutely fantastic role models. They've helped us out in so many ways, advice and anything we could have asked for, you know, they were there. No, I couldn't have asked for better parents and all that though. I'm delighted to be part of our family. And you know, if me and Jen turn out half as what they are, well, I reckon we'll be doing fairly okay, like, you know. Thanks, man. Then we have Pat over there, who is single, by the way. When I first met Pat, you know, I just thought to myself, you know, what a very, you know, normal, lovely woman. And then we went to dinner in Joel's, and the first thing she jumped on was the cocktail menu and sex on the beach, please. She's an absolutely wonderful woman, and you know, everybody's back. And for the rest of Jennifer's family, apparently Google said I have to mention you, but it also said I don't have to mention you all name by name. There's an awful lot of you, and every one of you is welcome into the family, and I'm never any issue with them at all. And I thank you very much. Oh, to the girl I was there. They were fairness in the school very well. They were absolutely brilliant towards Jennifer though. Everything that Jennifer needed up to you coming to the wedding, they were there for. Even going out and buying shoes. We went out 8 hours shoe shopping, came home, got a pair of shoes inside, skin full of alcohol. Then we had boys here beside us, great bunch of lads. John, who was best man before Jen even agreed to get married. Gar, who Craig making a cup of tea for the last couple of weeks. Craigo, who, you know, well, you'll be filling your duties later, we're standing on top of the table. Shitty boy. And Sean then, who, well, Sean, you didn't really do anything like that. No good soup, man. Then what about the old man? And then my Mammy's speech, it was absolutely amazing. I can't thank her enough. Everything that I am today is down to that woman. There's been ups and downs. There has been ups and downs throughout the years, which some of you know, but I mean, we bypassed them without any hiccup at all, just down to that woman there. And not just me, Grace, Ryan, Erica, Katie, Anya, Rachel, all of us, they're absolutely, everything we are is down to that woman. And then I just want to thank everyone else here in the room for actually coming today. And I know a lot of people is going to say it over and over again, you know, thanks for coming and all, but it really, really does mean an awful lot to see so many people here to make this day worth it. And so thanks a million. And then